See, see yesterday given this one. So HTML program completed, solid program completed. Still we have to write 3 programs. Now, say when you click on submit button, hall ticket number received. That is passed to DAO class. You will get the result. That is passed to JSP. This part completed. Now we have to receive hall ticket number. We have to send result here. DAO class, I'll show you. Here. Here. This is your scene. Now we are to write result DAO class and result class. See, right click, new class, result DAO. Okay, finish. Here. Here result DAO. Already we written here get result method name. Okay. Now method name get result. Return type should be result. Parameter should be H means integer. Now return type should be result. Method name should be get result. Parameter should be integer. Okay. Now here you observe this is hall ticket number. This hall ticket number we have to receive received here. This hall ticket number we have to check in database whether exists or not. After checking, if exists, this data should be loaded. It is passed. So here, what we can do is this select query you have to write. For writing select query, first we have to establish a connection. For establishing connection, what you have to write? Class dot for name. Class dot for name. See. Oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver. Okay. Establishing connection. Connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. Here first URL jdbc colon oracle colon thin colon at localhost 1521 colon xc. System manager. Okay. Connection established. Now, is it dynamic SQL query or static SQL query? Now, here, hall ticket number we have to receive, we have to check in database. Is it static SQL query required or dynamic SQL query? Dynamic. For dynamic SQL query, what is required? Statement or prepared statement or callable statement? prepared statement required. Okay. Now, prepared statement PSTMT equal to connection reference dot write. One dynamic query we have to write. Okay. What you have to write? Select star from the table name results. Select star from results where hall ticket number equal to question mark. Okay. So table name is results. Okay. Table name is results. Select star from results where hall ticket number equal to question mark. This is we have to fill. How to fill? Which method required? This question mark we have to fill. No. What we have to write? Dynamic SQL queries how to execute is studied in JDBC. Solets also. Now this question mark we have to fill. How to fill? What did I write? Prepared statement dot set int. Set int. Parameter index, nothing but question mark number. Question mark number is 1. Year that h. So this h I am passing here. Okay. Whatever hall ticket number received here, that is I placed here in first question mark. Okay. See hall ticket number equal to question mark. That question mark place. Question mark number is 1. 1 place that value placed. After this, we have to execute. For executing, which method required? Select query if you want to execute. Which method required? Execute query. What is the return type? Result set. Result set RS equal to prepared statement dot execute query. Execute query. Okay. Result set RS equal to prepared statement dot execute query. Now here hall ticket number if exist, one record will be written. That result set we got it. Now whenever result set is generated, then result set pointer points to before first record. How to move to next record? RS dot next. Now you can retrieve. Now the values like total how many hall ticket number, name, C, C++, Java. Total 5. Hall ticket number get int. Name get string. Get int. One is get string, remaining 4 get int. Now here integer hall ticket number RS dot get int. You can write column number also. Otherwise, column name also you can write. You already studied. Column name also you can write. So overloaded methods are there. Get int 1 you can write. Get int hall ticket number you can write. Now here same string name equal to RS dot get string like name. Integer C marks. RS dot get int. C language marks. So here these names whatever you want you can write, but these names must be in database field names. Okay. Otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number you can write. Integer CPP. RS dot get int. CPP. Integer Java. RS dot get int. Java. Now these values we receive no. This is we have to store in result object here. That means setter methods you have to call. Through setter method you can pass. So what you can do is you have to create result object. Result object we have to create this result. So suppose for example result are equal to new result. Okay. Now that result r dot set hall ticket number, then hall ticket number. But instead of writing here directly, you can write here. No, can you write or not? So instead of writing this way, what I'll do is r dot set hall ticket number. I'll write like this. I'll pass. It is better, no? So instead of writing two lines like this, I'll write here. Instead of writing like this, r dot set name here. R dot set C. So whatever I'm writing here, set all ticket number, set name, set C. These methods must match. Okay. Now R dot set CPP. R dot set Java. Like this. Now here return type is result. So we have to return R. Return R. Okay, result return. Now it is throwing exceptions. The exceptions also we have to handle. So exceptions we have to handle. That result will be resolved later. Now these all we have to write in try catch blocks. SQL exception, class not found exception, these all. Okay. Now this is DAO class. Now this class we have to write. Now right click, new class, class name result, class name result, finish. Here these all private variables you have to write. Hall ticket number, name, C, C++, Java. For that, setter getter, private integer hall ticket number, private string name, private integer C, private integer CPP, private integer Java. For this, setter getter methods, sources here, generate setter getter methods. For all, select all. Okay, generated. Now all setter getter methods generated, completed. Okay. Now you can check here. See this result must return. Reason here I return, but if catch block is executed, not return. That is the reason we are getting error. So what I'll do is this line I'll write outside try. This line I'll write outside the catch. Now it is clear. Okay. So this result, it is going to return. Now this is setter getter method purpose. First DAO class, this is not done. Still we have to write one more program. Write this program. Here just I'll make it star instead of complete like this. So return keyword, I return outside because if exception occurred, it will not return. That is the reason outside. What is this concept? Like this, if you write multiple exceptions in single catch block. Handling multiple exceptions, single catch block, pipe symbol. Is it over? Yeah, Java 7 feature, that is. Is it over? See, here. First of all, here hall ticket number received. Okay, hall ticket number received. This is I written here. You observe in Solid. In a Solid, here we written result DAO class object I created. Okay, result DAO class object created. That object referred by RDAO, and with that I'm calling get result. Here H. This H nothing but I received from HTML page. HTML page I received hall ticket number string format. That is S. I converted into integer format. That is H. That is I passed here. Then it will receive. Here hall ticket number received. Here driver loaded, connection established, dynamic SQL query prepared. That hall ticket number settled here. Now query executed. Result comes. That result we are storing in result reference. See, setter method I am calling. It is placed in result. That is return. So here, whatever I given in a diagram. See, this hall ticket number received. This hall ticket number received. It is it is hall ticket number passed. This total data loaded. That is result set. From this result set, that data I placed in object. Which object? Result object. Through setter methods. Now data placed here. Because setter methods, what will be there? Setter methods, local variables to instance variable. This dot hall ticket number equal to hall ticket number. This dot name equal to name will be there. No? So it will receive local variables. All setter local variables received. After that, it is placed in instance variable. That data will be here in this object. Now, this is also write it result.java. Result.java. So these are instance variables. Whatever is received, local variables stored in instance variable with this keyword. In this class, which object-oriented principle is there? In this class, which object-oriented principle is there? How many principles are there? 4. What are those? Encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. Which principle is there? Encapsulation. Okay. Data encapsulated. Private variables, private, public, setter, getter methods. Why do we need private? You studied in Core Java class, no? So 5 setter getter methods. Through setter method, data comes. It is stored in instance variables. Through getter method, data passed. Okay. Is it over? Not over? Is it over? Is it over? See, here this result requested dispatcher. Now get result method. I return get result only, no? I didn't give public, you write public. Otherwise, not public, without public also accessible. Get result DAO. Okay, that is same package, public also not required. With public also valid, without public also it's okay. Because same package, no, valid. I didn't say that is the reason. Okay. Say result DAO result. Say here hall ticket number received, driver loaded, connection established, dynamic query prepared, value stored in that query executed. Whatever it comes, the data stored in result object through setter methods. Through setter methods in this class object, it is stored. Here data stored. This data will receive in a JSP. Now, here what I did, you observe, setter methods I called. Setter methods, if I call, the data comes here, local variable. This local variable placed in instance variable. That means in this class object only it is going to be stored. No? This memory, when it is allocated, these 5 variables memory, when it is allocated, object is created. Whenever object is created, memory allocated. In that object, data stored. Okay. Now, still we have to write one more program, JSP. We have to retrieve this one. We'll get this one. After that, with this communication, getter methods. Okay. Now, right click, new JSP. File name, what I given, result.jsp. Result.jsp. Next, finish. Now, first of all, this result R, you'll get it. You should get it. Here, Solid to JSP. In Solid, what I written, you observe. Here, request dot set attribute. Now it is stored in request object. It is stored in request object. I forwarded. We have to receive. Here set attribute I called. There which method we have to call? Get attribute. Here set attribute, there get attribute. Now get attribute method you have to call. Request dot get attribute. Attribute name. Attribute name what I given here? Result. Here we have to write result. Result. But what is going to return? It is going to return object class object. It returns object class object, but we required result type. So actually you studied already setter method. Here setter method, how many parameters? 2 parameter. First parameter which type? It is string only, no? That is okay. Here second parameter which type? Object. But R I passed. R nothing but result. Result superclass is object. Here upcasting. With upcasting valid. Okay. Now here return type result R. If I write this statement, in which element you have to write scriptlet or declaration or expression? Which one? Scriptlet. I'll write scriptlet. But you will get an error. You observe you are getting result place error. Cannot be resolved. Okay. Here this is in a package. MVC package. Okay. This class. Now it's okay. But still you are getting error. See, another error comes here. It is incompatible type comes. Incompatible types. Okay. Here MVC dot result. Here actually here here parameter string type. Here parameter object type. Object place I passed result. Which is superclass, which is subclass, object or result? Object superclass, result subclass, upcasting. But it returns object class. Object class we have to convert into result type. So downcasting. Downcasting must be done by programmer explicitly. MVC dot result. Then downcasting. Explicit type conversion. With this R, can I call these all getter methods? You will get a data. So here, for printing purpose, you will use expression R dot get hall ticket number. Same style, R dot get name. R dot get C. R dot get CPP. R dot get Java. Now, here, background color, text color, level 1 heading. Here, I want to display like this. Label, hall ticket number. After line break. Now, name of the student. Line break. C language marks. Line break. C++ marks. Java marks. These are labels. You can write any style. Okay, like this. This is JSP. But still, we have to create table. We have to place the data. Because database is not there. No? This table is not there. Now, I'll open SQL prompt. Here, connect system manager. Select star from results. The table not there. Okay. Table name what I given here in the program. Results only given. Results. This table we have to create. Create table results. Hall ticket number. Same fields we have tried because already we written hall ticket number. Number suppose 3. Number 1001. So 4 digits. Name varchar 10. Like C language marks. Sub number 3. C++ number 3. Java number 3. Okay. Insert into student values. What is it? Result. Results. Results values. Hall ticket number. Name of the candidate. Marks. C language marks. C++ marks. Java marks. Now, roll number 2. Now, let us results 3. Now, commit. Okay. Now, if I execute, you'll get a data. See, right click, run on server. Yes. Next, finish. We'll send, we'll here, what we are right? Result.html. I'll enter hall ticket number 1001. If I click on submit, see, hall ticket number, name, C, C++, Java. Now, when I click on submit button, first this hall ticket number received by which program? Which program? Solid program. Solid program to next which program executed? Result DAO class. Result DAO class to next which program executed? Result executed. After that again which is executed? So again solid back. Solid to JSP. JSP will send the output. So like this. Say here hall ticket number 1002. See 1002 like this. 1003. So now you observe here, if you want to change any logic, suppose this HTML presentation, if you want to change any effect on Solid or DO class, no. Suppose database, if you want to change, this class will modify. Any effect on other pages? No. That's the benefit. So presentation, data access, any logic you can change. Then no effect on other pages. That is the benefit. That's what this type of architecture frameworks are become as popular. Now, these all little bit complicated appears if you write your own, but these all inbuilt in a framework. That is only framework. Program JSP. Write this one. This is MVC concept. So JSTL 5 categories of tags notes already posted in Google Classroom. You can practice because 3 categories I didn't explain, not important, but notes I shared. Function tags, formatting tags, XML tags notes. There is nothing, no logic, nothing. Only tags and attributes. If you know, you can write program. This is one more program you try, same pattern, MVC pattern. Either online shopping or online results or online counseling, something. Any other one more program you try. Is it over? You have to create table also. So this table also you have to create compulsory. Write this one also. Create table. The table should exist. Data should exist. See, if field names are not matched or HTML to Servlet request parameters are not matched, you'll get errors. You have to take care. Set attribute, get attribute, that field name also, if it is not matched, error. Is it over? Last concept. Not over. Just table you create, insert records, that's it. Last concept, reflection API. This is also not important. Just one program I'll show you. Reflection API. Note down. Reflection API use it to analyze the structure of a class or interface. Reflection API use it to analyze the structure of a class or interface. Java.lang.reflect package. Classes. So class name is method, class name is field, class name is constructor. Like that we have. So class name is class is there, class name is object is there, class name is method is there, class name is field is there, class name is constructor also is there. Reflection API use it to analyze the structure of a class or interface. Java.lang.reflect package. So if you get a one class, suppose example here only, result class, this result class. In this class, what are the instance variables are there? What are the methods are there? That information also you can find out. You can analyze the class or you can analyze the interface. If you get a one class, that class, what it contains, internals you can find out. That purpose we use. For example, where we use this one is in IDE development also reflection API used. See, for example, here, Servlet. In the Servlet, what I'll do, see here, request, I'll write dot. If I write, all methods are coming automatically. Then what will happen when I write request dot, then automatically HTTP Servlet class, HTTP Servlet request interface loaded. With that, all methods retrieved. So just here, one dot, if I write, that interface loaded, it is reflected. With that, methods are displayed. That is with reflection API only it is coming. So in that interface, what are the methods are there? All are appearing. See, suppose response dot, then response methods comes. So HTTP solid response loaded, it is reflected. With that, methods are displayed. At the command prompt you are using, Java P command. The Java P command also developed with reflection API. Say with the Java P, you will see like this: Java P, java.lang.string. Then string class loaded and retrieved data from database. Retrieved data from that class internals. 1 minute. These many versions are there. Say string class. Say Java P java.lang.string. Then all string class methods displayed. Then all string class methods displayed. Then what will happen? String class loaded, it is reflected. With that, methods are displayed. So these all developed with reflection API. So where we use is in product-based companies. While developing IDs, they use like these all IDs, Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ. These all IDs are there. No? These are developed with reflection API. Whichever class or whichever method interface reference, if you place dot, if you write, it will be loaded, retrieved. That is developed with reflection. So you can do like that. See how to do. For that, you studied already class. Class you studied, no? That class only required. This class contains methods. This is used to load the class already, you know, for name method. This for name method not only for driver class, any class. It is any class. Like this, here so many methods are there. See, this is also reflection purpose only. Say new instance, is like a assignable form, interface, is array, is primitive data type. Everything you can find out. Suppose if you want methods, classes, interface here, these methods are there. So if you want to retrieve list of variables, list of methods, field nothing but variable. If you want to retrieve variables, get fields. If you want to retrieve methods, get methods. If you want to retrieve constructor, constructors. These all node. It is used to load a class or interface. Fields nothing but variables, methods nothing but methods only, constructor only. Get fields, variables comes. Get methods comes. Get constructors comes. Have you written this one first before this? These all you written? Method, field, constructor. See these all. Method, field, constructor. These all in java.lang.reflect package. So here, that is only field array, method array, constructor array. So with this class, with this for name method, we have to load the class or interface. With this method, you'll get the variables. With this method, you'll get the methods. With this method, you'll get the constructors. Is it over? These three methods, instance methods or class methods. Which class object required to call? Which class object? Class object required. Now, this method return type, what is there? See, class. Return type of this method, class. So if we call this method, you will get a class reference. With that, you can call these methods. But it is static method, no? You have to call with class name. So you already written this one, class dot for name. But return type we didn't use at the time. Here return type required now. With this return type reference only, get field, get methods, get constructors you can call. See. This is, I'll write in edit place, make a compilation at the command prompt, you'll get a clarity. There also comes. Say here, class dot for name, return type is class. So return type is class. Class dot for name. Class name I'll pass at the command prompt, args of 0. Okay, at the command prompt I'll pass the class name. Whichever class name if I pass, that class loaded. With this, I want to display only methods. Then which method you have to call? C dot get methods. Return type is method array. So method array M1 C dot get methods. Now method class in which package? Import java.lang.reflect. This is not a default package. Java.lang is default. In that it is sub package. That is not default. Class is available in java.lang. For that, no need to import. But this is available in reflect package. It is compulsory to import. Now it will throw exceptions also. Try catch block also required. Now it is method array. How to display array elements for each loop? For method type M2 colon M1. You can print M2. System.out.println M2. So from this array, one method copied here, that is printed with toString method printed. Say file, save. I'll compile java c demo.java, java demo. Whichever class you pass, that class methods comes. Java.lang.string. See, my program also working like a Java P command. No? See, Java demo. Java.lang.object class. Object class methods. Java P, Java.lang.object. But here variables, methods all coming. But I written code only for methods. That is the reason only methods coming. But here constructor also coming. It is constructor. It is other information also coming. Because I written only for methods. Okay. Like this, any class like a Java demo You can pass any class. Suppose java.util.string tokenizer. That class loaded. So any class, Java P, like Java demo, like java.lang.string buffer class. This is reflection. But not only this, there are so many methods. It is not much important. Just one example I given. Write this one. So many methods are there. About class, about interface, about method, about variable, any information you can find out. Whether it is class or interface, whether it is enumeration or interface or class, you can find out. The method access modifier, you can find out. That method, that class superclass, you can find out. That class subclass, you can find out. And what are the modifiers are there, you can find out. What is the return type is there, you can find out. About class, about variable, about method, anything you can find out. So whatever you are passing at the command prompt argument, first argument, that is received. Args of 0. That class or interface loaded. With that, get methods. All methods are stored in method array. From that array, one method copied in M2, that is printed. Like this only, get methods, get fields, nothing but variables, get constructors. And not only this, some hundreds of methods are there. Whether it is a class or interface or enumeration, with Java methods only can find out. What are the access modifiers are there, you can find out. Which is superclass, which is subclass, you can find out. That means total library related concepts you can find out. But where we use while developing IDE, like a Eclipse, like a NetBeans, IntelliJ, these all developed with this API only. So with this API only, that is developed. Java P command also developed with this only. That is a concept. Okay. Up to here, course is completed. That means my duty completed, your duty not completed. Until you reach your target, you have to practice. For getting more knowledge, you refer first my notes. Next, Sun Microsystem or Oracle, Java tutorials are there. Oracle Java EE tutorials. For advanced Java EE tutorials. Next, any author SC/WCD books are there. Sun Certified Web Component Developer. Oracle Certified Web Component Developer. Previously called Sun, now we are calling Oracle Corporation. Books. These are better. So first you refer my notes. After that, Java EE tutorials. That is from Sun or Oracle. Old version Sun will be there. New version Oracle will be there. For getting core Java more knowledge, that is already given. Notes Java to complete reference. Next, Sun or Oracle Java tutorials and SCJP books. SCJP or OCPJP by Kathy Sira. So as compared to advanced Java, core Java is important. Okay. Core Java important, frameworks important as compared to advanced Java. These three for advanced Java, these four core Java. So my duty completed, your duty not completed. Until you reach your target, you have to practice, practice, practice. Okay. I'm wishing you all the best. Okay. Advance happy Diwali also. Okay. Still, if any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. If I give number also no use, because maximum time I'll be in a classroom only. So this is my mail ID. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. You'll get a reply on Sundays only. Okay, every Sunday I'll give a reply. If you post on Sunday also, Sunday will get it. If you post on Monday also, you'll get a Sunday. Okay, because myself also morning to night I'll be in Amirpet only now. So this is my mail ID. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. But for interview purpose, as compared to advanced Java, core Java only most important. Because core Java, how many logics are there you have seen? Advanced Java logical part is less, only procedure type. Okay. Now those who are learning full stack Java, you can attend Springboard this class also, as well as development security operation tools. Tools also you can attend. Already started, completed, started. Okay. So parallelly also you can attend. Those who didn't attend till, you can attend parallelly also. Okay. Once again, happy Diwali to all. I'm wishing you all the best for your career. Only the today class notes only how to share. I'll share notes in Google Classroom. So only MVC notes, reflection API notes I have to share. I'll share in Google Classroom. Tomcat 10. If you want to use Tomcat 10 for JSTL, compulsory Maven tool required. Tools required. Or testing class also you can attend. Selenium batch. Core Java, lots of practice required. Yeah, Selenium also are a part of full stack Java. If you develop any project with advanced Java, no one will consider after learning framework develop project. It will be useful. 1 minute, wait. in a resume, core Java, advanced Java, you should not mention. Okay. Only Java, as well as Servlet server-side technologies, Servlets, JSP, like that you have to refer, you have to write. But advanced Java, core Java words, you should not write because these are unofficial words. Server-side technologies, database technologies, like that skill set you can prepare. That is, I'll post one sample resume in a Google Classroom. Okay. Angular also you can attend. For learning Angular, only HTML, JavaScript knowledge required. You can learn. Yeah, I'll sample resumes. I'll post in Google Classroom. Node.js not included in full stack Java. Node.js not there, not included. Angular is there. Angular different, React.js different, not same. Yeah, Spring Boot not included in full stack Java. Spring included. Angular different, React different. Still any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. Okay.